Hi friends, in this video we are going to explore a new topic called SRUJAN Tech Talks. Sorry. So we are in this video we are going to discuss about smartphones. So smartphones are becoming bigger, flexible, better, light, and many more features are coming in our daily smartphones. So nowadays smartphones are not coming with home buttons. See, this is my full screen. This is full screen phone, which doesn't have any home button. Only older devices have home button. Why this is happening? Home button will not cause any damage to the phone, but this is the answer. So when manufacturers put home button, back and menu button, the phone will become bulky and need more powerful processor. So because there are multiple devices like camera, LED flash, home button, that button, this button, so it requires powerful processor and will require a lot of time to manufacture it. So nowadays, but another disadvantage of using home button phones means the phone screen size will become smaller because home button will take extra home and notch will take extra space. So phone screen will become smaller and buttons will become bigger. So manufacturers stop providing home button phones. They are providing full screen displays only with a dot notch. Okay. And let's talk about folding phones, flip phones, and many other. Modern technology is improving 5 to 10 years. So in India, 5G will be expected in 2030. Where US has 5G network, US will get in 2030 6G network. It will be full speed and you can watch YouTube video in 1 minute. No lags, nothing will come. So India has only 4G network, but US has 5G network. But 4G and 5G is the same, but internet speed will depend on the generations. Okay, let's talk about smartphones. So Samsung has released the Galaxy Fold. You will open the phone like book and close it like a book. What you will do like in books. And another smartphone has released in the Samsung company, the Galaxy Z Flip. You can flip your phone and there will be 2 cameras here and a tiny screen to see notifications and alarms or clock to see time. Modern technology is improving, guys. You see, first generation phone was this much tiny and it had only this much of screen. You can't do anything. You can't watch YouTube videos too. You can only call, text someone, play little video games, and that's it. But you cannot play. You cannot do anything with your phone. Read news, ask Google Assistant, watch YouTube videos right in your phone. Wow, technology is improving, right? So thanks for exploring with me. I will see you in the next SRUJAN Tech videos. Till then, enjoy, feel happy, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And click that little bell icon and select all. So you will notified every time when I upload videos, and you'll get useful information about technology and many more topics. So till then, bye bye.